crazy. Check this out, guys. Today I'm going to show you what it's like to drive the Lanzante P1 HDK from a first-person point of view. Based on the Mclaren P1 road car, it's got more power at over 1,000 horsepower, 903 for the stock car, but it also has some aero components off of the track-only P1 GTR, like that insane dual exhaust and massive rear diffuser. The HDK started with the Mclaren F1, and this is kind of a nod to that, a road-going car with extra downforce. Now we've got a hidden button right here to go ahead and open the door, and let's climb inside the P1 HDK. Inside of the P1 HDK now, to fire it up, we've got the engine start-stop button right here. Fire on that twin turbocharged V8, making over 1,000 horsepower. Get a load at how gorgeous this interior is. I love the windows in the roof there, and the center stack in full carbon fiber is incredible with the little Lanzante detail and the blacked out gauges. This is the active panel to switch between normal, sport, and track. Launch control, boost button, obviously 7-speed DCT transmission, drag reduction system, and this is basically an extra boost button for the electric powertrain if you want to pass someone, instant pass assist system. To put it into first gear, go ahead and pull the paddle, and off we go. So in an incredible turn of events, we're here with Shannon, the owner of this beautiful, you just took delivery today?
Today.
Of your P1 high downforce kit from Lanzante.
1 of 9 ever made.
It's unbelievable. And you were mentioning it's Hermes leather?
Yes.
That is epic. And we're about to take it
specifically. So
awesome. For a drive out on Sonoma Raceway. Thank you again for this.
Let's go.
100 more horsepower, making about 1,000 horsepower. And the P1 is my favorite car I've ever reviewed, actually, the road car P1. So this has got to be that, but better.
So far today, this is pretty thrilling.
Yeah. And I like the Lanzante touch here. That's pretty cool. Sport and sport. Now obviously, given the value of this car, we're not going to go crazy whatsoever, but I'm very thankful for this opportunity.
Of course.
And it is a spectacular looking vehicle.
How can you review things unless you drive them?
100%, I agree. The sounds this thing makes is unreal. Yeah, no, it's incredible. The steering actually feels a little heavier than the road car P1. Obviously, with a professional driver going flat out, you could be going much, much faster, but obviously not worth it right now. This thing is...
Speed.
What'd you say?
We're doing mom speed.
Yeah, we're doing mom speed, exactly. Yeah, that accelerates. So what made you choose, you've got 2 Chiron Super Sports.
Correct.
What made you drawn towards the Chiron, and also what made you want 2 of them?
I don't think anybody really needs to have 2 Bugattis, but we had an opportunity for an investment in the second one.
Gotcha.
And we love the Bugatti Super Sport. Hearing it, both of them are very different in their specs.
Yeah.
And so it's been wonderful to compare them, and we definitely strongly feel that our all exposed carbon with French blue racing stripes on it actually feels lighter.
Really?
It's a bit faster. Yeah.
That's incredible. And so was that the second one?
That was the second one. That is a 2023.
Very cool.
And Lady Mont Blanc is a 2022.
Awesome. And I saw...
She's my daily drive.
Really?
Yeah.
How many miles have you put on?
12,000.
Really? That's incredible. Good for you. Let these faster cars pass. Senna and Senna GTR blasting by. From these tires is crazy.
She's sticking to it. She feels good.
Yeah, the crazy part is that's probably 50% of its capabilities.
Oh, yeah.
So what made you decide on this car? I mean, the P1's my dream car, and then this is like a step above that. It's one of the coolest cars in the world. How did you stumble upon Lonzante and end up taking delivery of this beast?
I have a lot of boys, and we have a couple of big-time McLaren lovers. My son Dakota has a 765.
Very cool.
And this is something that sparked his interest, and then became an interest of mine. And 1 of 9, it was available.
Yeah.
And O'Gara,
sure,
O'Gara Coach in Beverly Hills, had it, and the price was right for us as an investment purpose, and it also helps us continue our journey with McLaren and potentially be a candidate for the P18.
Very cool.
Yeah, so we're looking towards the future with this and going to enjoy it while we have it.
Awesome. Can we do one more lap?
You got it, baby.
All right. I like that you actually drive all your cars and you take them on the track. There's a lot of hypercar owners that they drive them to Rodeo Drive and park them there.
Yeah, we live in San Antonio, Texas, so we're not really showy.
Yeah, yeah.
And we have a lot of long roads in Texas to really enjoy our cars.
That's awesome.
Having vehicles like this is something really special.
Absolutely.
And looking at them in a garage does not give us pleasure.
I agree.
Getting behind the wheel and feeling the power and the absolute artistry and engineering that's involved in them is what we're alive, let's live it.
So let my audience know, what's your Instagram? How can we follow you?
I'm at Sweet4 Shannon.
Okay, perfect. So make sure to give her a big follow, because obviously it's not every day you get to get behind the wheel of a P1 HDK, and not on the road, but on a racetrack where this thing truly shines. But the coolest part is, unlike the GTR, you can actually drive this on the road as well. Are you rallying this tomorrow?
We are.
That is so cool.
All the way to Monterey, along with T-Tron, Super Sports, and all these other amazing hypercars.
That is incredible. For the last bit, I'll just let you listen to the awesome sounds of the P1.